fish feeder. Lily is eating that thing up. She eats the most. And then, where is he? There. Getting scared of the light. Look at it. That one eats pretty good too. Okay. Where is Michelle? Michelle is going all over the place just randomly. Come on. Yeah, there she is. Okay. All the food is done, and I promised you guys I would do a video on this meal, so I'll just do that right now. See him? That's all. There he is. So, that's all.